Hey everyone, when I'm saving my notes into the database, right, I'm saving the locations, it's working fine, right? When I'm saving my notes into the database, so it's throwing this exception, please install Algolia client or Algolia search, right? So these are the errors from the Scout, Laravel Scout, right? So by default, the Scout is set to I'm not sure what's the default it's one, so you need to set it with the specific thing, like if you configured with the Algolia, so you need to set up the Algolia. If you did this with the Algolia or Mealy search, you need to enter your information into the database, but I am doing this using database, right? So it's a new in the I think it's added in the Laravel 10, where you can now search advanced search into your database from your database. So you don't need to enter the Mealy search or Algolia search. So I have added this database, so I need to also add this same into the database. So just go here and oh, it's now I think connection is lost, so I need to shoot this. So again here party. Okay, I added this node tracker, save this one. You need to do this same as you did this before. So let me go here. Um, what are my access details? Okay, let's copy this detail. Okay, and copy this password because I haven't used this from in terms, so that's why it's so inactive and it's log out, right? Okay, and here I need to go to my env nano.env and update these information. So these are not added, so I need to add them at the bottom. Okay, here, so just go here and copy this from there, paste this out, press Ctrl plus O to save this one, enter, and Control X. Okay, let's go back here and I'm going to submit my request again. Hope it will work. I haven't tested this. Please install the suggested, and yes, it saved my note and my issue was resolved, right? It's loading it from the Algolia maybe, so that's why it's not able to find the Algolia credential. So now I set up this to the database, so that's why it's working fine. So I shown this error to you. Maybe you face this error in the future, so you need to have knowledge about this error, right? So I have other things like added the error type, it's not asking there because I'm using this in the note, so it's asking me to do it to in the note. So here you can also change the name of your application. So again, go to this nano.v, enter. My application name is node tracker, right? And if you have two words, right, so make sure to add them in the code, otherwise your application will stop working, right? Node tracker, a node tracker. Okay, control O, control X. Let's get refresh, and it's kicked me back because I changed this changed the file, changed something in the env file. So when you are changing something in the env file, it's wouldn't log out, but when you change your application name, so it's going to log out, right? Admin add two indicators, password is 128. I'm not a robot. Click on this sign in, and yes, I'm logged in and is now visible as node tracker, right? And in the next video I'm going to show you that how you can configure the cron job, right? I have created this node to process the cron job, so first let me set up the logic and then I'm coming back.